Live and direct with Woodside Soccer Club Crush individual training videos. It's been a while since we posted any videos to our YouTube channel. Players have requested that we add new content, so I'd like to share some of the things that have worked and have not been so successful over the past 2 months. Actually, let's leave the stuff that's not been successful. This idea, this concept of virtual training took some getting used to, but I feel like we've come up with a simple setup that our players can recreate at home. Of course, you can adjust the distances and the amount of equipment based on the space you have available, okay? So one key concept our coaches have been learning and mastering is this idea of differentiated instruction, which we define as meeting the player at their level, okay? We still need to meet each player at their level, but we also need to meet each player at their level of resources, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm operating on a field between the end line and the 18-yard box. Okay, so that's no more than 18 yards long, and this is probably 8 to 10 yards wide. You can shrink it, put it in your driveway, put it in your backyard, go to a field, increase the spaces based on what you're looking for and the spaces that you have. So what we have here is a ladder, okay? Ladder can be replicated by creating sort of lines at your house in the driveway or cones. And then we've got 5 cones approximately 6 yards away from the ladder. Those cones are spaced out 1.5 to 2 yards apart, okay? At the third cone, which is the middle of those 5 cones, we've got a gate or a goal on the right and a gate or a goal on the left. Again, 1.5 to 2 yards apart, and then we've got a finish line at the end, approximately 5 yards past the sequence of 5 cones, okay? We're gonna go through a series of videos. We'll try to keep them short, and you can mix and match and combine these videos or these activities to create the session of your choice. Our preferred interval for this type of training, in particular when we're using Zoom to deliver virtual training sessions, is 45 seconds on, 15-second rest. That's 3 active periods to 1 recovery period. So 3 to 1, 45 to 15. You can shorten it to 30 to 30. We call that a blast, or you can increase the duration to 1 minute with a 30-second rest.